class, I am going to discuss about bubbled input XOR gate. So previous video we discussed bubble input AND gate and OR gate. If you needed, kindly refer the video now. We move on. So let me draw the symbol of XOR gate. So XOR gate symbol, it has a two input A and B. Output is Y. So Y equal to A XOR B. So it's a Boolean expression of XOR gate. The elaborate expression is A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. It's an elaborate expression. So in this video, I just will discuss if I add the bubble at A terminal or B terminal. So what is the response of XOR gate? So case 1, add bubble at A or B terminal. A or B terminal. So what is the response? We will check now. So I add bubble at A terminal. So A and B. So B is directly tied to XOR gate. Then the response of the gate is A bar XOR B. So after bubble, you will get A bar. So this is the response of this logic gate. A bar XOR B bar. So normal XOR gate abbreviated expression is A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. I just substitute the value A bar in this expression. So already here it has A bar. So A double bar dot B plus instead of A I place A bar because our input is A bar. So A bar dot B bar. So just to cancel these two bar, you will get the expression A dot B plus A bar dot B bar. So this expression look like XNOR gate. So this expression look like XNOR gate. So it's simply called as A XNOR B. So this bubbled input XOR gate is replaced by XNOR gate. A XNOR B. So this bubbled input of XOR gate is replaced by XNOR gate. That's the first case. Then case 2. If I add bubbles at both the terminals. If I add bubbles at both the terminals. So XOR gate symbol. If I add bubbles at both the terminals, here input is A and B. Here the expression is A XOR B. So after bubble, you will get A bar. Here you will get B bar. So A bar XOR B bar. The abbreviated expression is A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. I just substitute this input values in this expression. So A double bar dot B bar plus A bar dot B double bar. Just to cancel these two bars, you will get the result A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. So this bubble XOR gate replaced by the same XOR gate. So this expression looks like A XOR B. If I add both the sides, bubble means this bubbled XOR gate replaced by the same XOR gate. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.